Ultrasonic sensors are commonly used in many modern technologies, from medical equipment to automotive applications. These sensors work on the principle of sound waves and are capable of measuring distance, detecting obstacles, and even identifying different materials. In this video, we will explore the science behind ultrasonic sensors and understand how they work. We will also discuss their various applications in different fields. 5 keywords. Ultrasonic sensors. Sound waves. Distance measurement. Obstacle detection. Material identification. Intro. Welcome to our video on the science behind ultrasonic sensors. Have you ever wondered how your car's parking sensor works or how medical equipment measures distance accurately? Ultrasonic sensors are the heroes behind these applications. So, let's dive deep into the science behind ultrasonic sensors and understand how they work. H2. How do ultrasonic sensors work? Ultrasonic sensors work on the principle of sound waves. These sensors emit high-frequency sound waves above the range of human hearing, typically above 20 kHz. The waves travel through the air and reflect off any solid object in their path. The sensor then measures the time taken for the sound waves to travel to and from the object, using this time measurement to calculate the distance between the object and the sensor. H3. Components of ultrasonic sensors. There are two main components of an ultrasonic sensor, the transmitter and the receiver. The transmitter emits the high-frequency sound waves, and the receiver detects them. The time taken for the waves to travel from the transmitter to the object and back to the receiver is calculated by a controller or a microprocessor, which then calculates the distance. H3. Applications of ultrasonic sensors. Ultrasonic sensors have a vast range of applications in various fields. They are used in medical equipment, such as ultrasonic imaging and distance measurement. In the automotive industry, they are used in parking sensors, collision detectors, and anti-lock braking systems. Industries such as robotics, agriculture, consumer electronics also use ultrasonic sensors in their products. Outro. So, that was our video on the science behind ultrasonic sensors. We hope you enjoyed learning about their working principle and various applications. Ultrasonic sensors have revolutionized the way we perceive and interact with technology. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.